How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of Tiku's Day Out. Tiku was a little boy. He loved to go to school every day. Pritiben was his class teacher. One day, Tiku was going home. Suddenly, a car came towards him and he got injured. The traffic police came to the spot. He saw that Tiku had injured his knees. The driver said sorry to Tiku and the driver took Tiku to the doctor. The doctor gave him medicines. He was ready to go home. He saw that his shoes were torn and he went to the cobbler. The cobbler mended Tiku's shoes. At night, Tiku thought that he was so lucky to get help from all of them. He decided when he would grow up, he would help others. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye. Thank you.